Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix there has been a critical error on your website on WordPress and how to find that problem. So the most common thing would be incompatible or outdated plugins and themes. So you will need to find which one is incompatible. So now from your hosting service, you want to go ahead to your cPanel and find a file manager. So for me, it would be on DreamHost, and this is where I can manage my files. It's a little bit different than the cPanel, but basically the same. And now once you will be on cPanel and on File Manager, you'll want to find your public HTML file. For me, it would be this one. This is my website, where we'll find those plugins or themes. Now the plugins and themes are on WP content. You want to click on that. And after that, you see here is plugins and themes. So it depends why your website doesn't work, but to find that out. And for example, right now my website is working, but if your website now is not working, you want to go ahead and try to rename the plugins file. So you want to go ahead, click on this plugin and rename it. And for example, let's write down something like so. You rename it. And after that, you want to refresh your website. If it works just fine, as you can see, some kind of error appeared. But basically, if your website will start working, it means that the plugin is the problem. And now you need to just find out which one it is. So you want to go ahead to your plugins, installed plugins. And after that, you will want to find which plugin was the problem. Now, once you are on your installed plugins, here you will see all of your plugins and they will be deactivated. And once you come here, you want to go ahead and click activate, then refresh your website and see if it works. Then again, activate. And once you refresh your website, it doesn't work, then that's the plugin which causes the error and this problem. So what you will want to do when you find out which plugin, you want to just delete it and maybe try to add it once again as a new plugin. So this is one way. Again, you want to rename it back to the plugins. Now, if the problem is the themes, you do the same with the themes. You want to rename it, then it will deactivate all of your themes, and then you will try to find which one is outdated. So that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.